GreenTek presents the NEOWall, an interior partition wall system. The NEOWall system is superior in quality, functionality, flexibility, and carries a Green Guard certification for indoor air quality. The system's design is ideal for below-grade applications where moisture is present, such as basement finishing, and all other above-grade applications. The sound characteristics of the NEOWall make the product ideal for projects requiring sound deadening rooms, such as doctors' offices, hospitals, apartment buildings, and schools. Additionally, the thermal properties of the NEOWall enable HVAC systems to be zoned to each room, whereby saving fuel and energy consumption. Integrated pre-engineered components and material comprise the NEOWall's design, making it a perfect solution for quick and easy installation of the wall panels, plumbing, electrical, and any future modifications and remodeling requirements. When we designed the NEOWall, we wanted a system that surpassed all other products with no limitations. Because of the internal steel stud matrix, 16-inch on center, the wall panels are rigid and able to support mounted objects. Additionally, the steel studding has a thermal break to eliminate climate transfer. This break also eliminates vibration from one side to the other, reducing sound transmission. Along with the steel stud matrix, we incorporated large vertical and horizontal chases. Our vertical chases are located every 2 feet throughout the whole system, and our horizontal chase is located 17 inches from the floor. This meets and exceeds all building codes and provides adequate room for electrical, multimedia, and even plumbing requirements. The ease of installation and reduced labor cost make this feature a huge benefit. Because of the easy access, future modifications of wiring and such are as easy as the initial installation. For below grade and areas of high moisture content, the NEOWall laminated substrate is a paperless glass mat gypsum panel. This gypsum resists mold and mildew and is a superior surface for applying any finish, such as paint, wallpaper, and tile, can be easily applied directly without the need of backerboard. Many commercial projects are requesting this product for both below and above grade applications. However, the NEOWall is available with standard gypsum board or can be special ordered using Formica or other products as required. Whatever your project requires, the NEOWall system will lower your labor cost as the wall panels install in minutes, eliminating the need for framing, insulation, and hanging the drywall. Your electrical could be run during or after the system is installed and is less labor intensive than conventional methods. When it comes to ease of installation, the NEOWall is the fastest system to install and is nearly as easy as cutting drywall for inside and outside corners and complex angles. Our pre-engineered components not only provide perfect 90 and 45-degree angles, they also add to the rigidity, ease, and speed of the install and assure no loss of insulation. Our universal joint is used for inside and outside corners and partition walls. Our 45-degree component was designed for a perfect 45-degree joint and yet will allow for non-precise angle situations. Finally, our spline is used to interconnect one panel to the next, which continues the insulation without breaks and adds additional rigidity at the tape joint. Making the installation quick and convenient was one of the biggest objectives we achieved. However, when it comes to completing your project with all other conventional products, such as doors, windows, and ceiling systems, you will find the NEOWall works perfectly, providing you with a standard wall thickness where door jambs are quick and easy and require no alterations. Most important in today's environment and green initiative is saving energy. The NEOWall does this more efficiently than all other systems by using neopor as the core. Neopor provides an unprecedented R21 with no breaks in insulation and is GreenGuard certified. The NEOWall comes standard in 4x8 panels, but we also offer 10 and 12-foot heights to accommodate commercial and government buildings. If so needed, we will also work with you directly to build the system to your specifications. The ease of installing the NEOWall is comprised of different mounting components for whichever application and use is required. Basement projects only require two mounting components, the L channel and the hat track. Both components are mounted using a Hilti gun or Tapcons. Simply mount the hat track above the ceiling level, then plumb the L channel and mark it to the floor. Now simply apply 2 beads of water-resistant sealant and mount the L channel to the floor. Once these components are mounted, you proceed with installing the panels using self-tapping 5-inch SIP screws. These screws are concealed above the ceiling grid and baseboard. With steel construction, you can simply use the L channel for mounting to the ceiling and to the floor. Please keep in mind you can use the NEOWall as a temporary office build-out by simply using a batten strip at the seam joint. Another point worth mentioning is the NEOWall is 100% repairable if damaged using conventional methods and materials. Here we have a simple animation on how the panels interlock and how conventional methods are used to complete your project.